Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show some of the Coach items that I've purchased in the past few days. So I have a couple of items here. So first, I got this at Macy's. So I was at Macy's in the past few days. I checked the store of what are the new items for fall, and I found this. So I saw, as soon as I saw this on the shelves that it was on sale, I said, okay, this one is gorgeous and I am taking her home. Definitely. So I think this is just, I didn't even make a decision like, it didn't take a minute for me to decide whether I wanted to get this or not. Right away when I saw it, it's like, okay, this one is gorgeous. So anyway, it's actually wrapped like this, and this one is still in its original packaging, which is nice. They have the floor model, and then the lady says, oh, I have a new one at the back. It was all in the wrapping paper and stuff, so I end up getting that, which is actually which is even better. So here comes, oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. Okay, here she is. So this is a Coach Swinger 20 shoulder bag. And this one, as you guys can see right here, this one is in color chalk. More likely, I don't know, there is a little bit of contrast in this color right at the piping right here. This one is more likely a little bit on a how do you call this one right here? A little bit more likely darker than this trimming right here. The trim right here, it's really white, and this one is more likely an off-white color. So I think, I just hope that my camera is actually picking up the exact color, but it seems to look like, yes, this one is lighter and this one is a little bit more on a little, yeah, it's an off-white, so you guys can see right, oh my gosh, this one is quilted right away, and I said, oh my goodness, this was really soft, made up of, I'm not sure, I think this one is made up of Napa leather and a mixture of Gloveden leather, and it seems to look like, wow, the stitching. What sold me in this piece is not the color, because I am totally not a fan of chalk, which is white. It is really hard to maintain, to be honest, with those lighter colors. But as soon as I saw this, I think this one always reminds me of winter and fall, this color. And I said, well, it is fast approaching, so I might want to add this in my collection, but I think this one is gorgeous. Not just the color, but the size. The quilting is absolutely gorgeous. And also, this one has a brass hardware, as you guys can see right here. So this one, the brass is more likely a little bit shiny though. The brass, and oh my gosh, I just can't get over how lovely those stitching right here. The detail for the stitching is amazing. It's like all around it at the bottom as well as the quilting. Oh my gosh, this one feels so luxurious actually. And on top of that, I got this around, probably, it was on sale right now on the Macy's website for $177 US. That's before tax. And it's worth it. It's worth every penny. Oh my gosh. So it has a zipper pull right here. This one is leather. It is a turn lock closure. This one actually, they added an extra protection or security on the purse. So they actually did that. So that's optional. This one right here, the zipper is actually, yeah, this one is made up of brass as well. And okay, this one is fully stuffed right now. And then this is the dust bag. And then some of the stuffing right here. The inside, oh wow, this one is just this one is just pretty new, that they just took it from the warehouse at the back. So that's a good thing. I really like that. Sometimes with a sale, it's like you have no choice, you run out of choice, but end up getting the one it's at the floor model and it's already been like dented or a lot of scratches or things like that. But I was glad that they were able to find one for me that that's not a floor model. So anyway, let's take a look inside. So this one, as I am actually trying to open the purse, it is a little bit stiff. It's not as flexible as I thought. And based on the material, the Gloved leather and the Napa leather is really soft and supple. But when you open it like this, it's a little bit stiff though. This one is lined with this jacquard fabric right here. It is more likely a combination of, it has a little bit of like a mustard color on the inside, but it feels really, really thick. The patch grid right here, right there. On the other side, it has 1, 2, I think 3. Yeah, there is this 3 card slots at the back right here on this corner, which once again I never used. Wow, it seems to look like it's pretty roomy inside, and I love that the inside looks really smooth. Like the lining, it's actually very well placed. It is just like smooth. So I didn't see any crumpling or crumpled on the inside. It is just plain smooth. That's just to show you that the quality and the craftsmanship in this piece is amazing. This one is made up under top quality, guys. So anyway, that's how it looks on the inside. This one this one only comes with this chain. Oh, it is a short chain though. Wow, I was thinking that this one would come up with this long strap, but apparently for the quilting it's not. So let me just put this one right here at the corner like that. Okay, so this one came in with this shoulder chain, so you could just put this on your shoulder, just like hanging at the crook of your arm, just like that. But it looks great. It actually looks great because the color chalk, the white, actually complements perfectly with the purse itself. I think the combination of the color, the leather, the quilting, and also with the brass hardware complements the purse really well. And I think this is perfect. I really do. And when you come to think of it, right now it looks very, very luxurious. Wow. Wow, I would have never thought that this is made by Coach, actually. Wow, I love it. I love this one so much. And yeah, you could get this one in Macy's. I'm not even sure because I was just walking at Macy's and checking their new stuff and everything, and I found this and I said, okay, right away I am sold. So also, yeah, they always come up with this stuff right here. Okay, here are some of the information. This one is in color chalk and it's C3490 and it's originally priced as $295 US and also 295 Canadian. That's very interesting. So anyway, and also Coach released a collection for the swinger bag, and it is actually very nice. It is very lovely. I'm gonna actually put a clip right here on the side so you guys will be able to know or see what I'm actually referring to. It is a swinger in this beautiful, lovely, soft shearling I think they're made up of shearling though, the real shearling. And I saw a couple of those at the store. So I asked the associate if I could see it, I could feel it, and wow, it looks so beautiful. It is really soft. And according to them, according to the coach, that both of them are actually made up of a real shearling. So here is the photos together for the for this beautiful, beautiful shearling swinger bag. As you guys can see right there, there is actually two at the store. On the left, I'm not sure the exact color, but it's more likely has a hint of pink, but in a lighter pink. It seems like that one, I love it, but it seems that the shearling is like all over the place. It's not going in one direction. And yeah, it is gorgeous. And on the right side, we have the signature one, which is, I just find that one very, very attractive though. That's because of the color, and also it is a mixture of shearling and leather, like gloved on leather. So on the left, it says, I think they're both of them are mixed with ox blood, with an ox blood color mixed with a gloved on leather and a shearling. On the left, it says it is made in Spain. Actually, the shearling is made in Spain, and on the right, it is made up of real shearling as well, but the fur is made in Australia. So both of them are actually made up of lovely imported materials. Wow, that's very interesting though. So the one on the left actually priced as $450 US. That's before tax. And on the right, the signature canvas is signature logos, which is priced as $495 US. So it is priced a little bit more, but it looks a little bit better. Now, I was thinking of maybe adding this in my collection, but I know I have one of these in the past that's made up of shearling. It is hard to take care of, especially the lighter color ones. You cannot get this one wet. This one is spot clean only. Once it gets dirty, that's it. And also another thing that bothers me a little bit with the shearling is, at first, at the beginning, it looks gorgeous because the shearling is so puffy. It's just like, and then later on, it started to like flatten. So, I don't know. In my personal opinion, I totally dislike that. But with this one, it looks gorgeous. You gotta have to see it in person to appreciate it. And it is actually priced really well. And another thing is that, should I add this in my collection? I was thinking, I said, maybe not. But as soon as I checked the website, it's like, this one also came in with the long strap and the chain. Wow, and the chain looks gorgeous. It is awesome. And I said, how could they price this as a $495 US, where it came with the strap, with the real shearling, and also with the chain in it? I think this one is priced really well, and I think it's worth it for $495. The $495 truly justifies the price because of the material and also the quality that they use for these pieces. So it says it is a real shearling, and I said, okay, I might want to have to go back to this store once again and check about this piece, because I wanted to, I look at the chain, oh wow, the chain is absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh. So anyway, those are it. Also, that with the shearling, they also comes with like a tote and all sorts of stuff. But I don't know, for some reason, the swinger really attracts me more than anything else, though. So yeah, so anyway, this is my first item. Oh my gosh, you should get this, guys. This is the color that you could just mix with any of your outfit. This looks very much flattering with anything, more likely with anything because of the color. So moving on to the next item, this is I got this on the website, and I asked them to gift wrap this piece. I don't know why. I don't know, for some reason. And I was surprised that this one came in with this. Oh my gosh. Gigantic. The box is huge. So anyway, let me show you what I got. Okay. Oh wow. Look at that. They always wrap this one nicely, beautifully. If you requested for them to have it gift wrapped, yeah, they did such a great job of doing that. So yeah, it's actually perfect for gifting. Now that Christmas is just around the corner, you might want to do that. And I think if you requested for an item to get gift wrap, that would be awesome, because they did such a great job of gift wrapping your stuff. So anyway, this is the tote that I got, and this is made up of 100% recycled materials. So like these are all made up of like recycled. This one, the leather here, and also, wow, let me just take a look at this. It says nature. This one is more likely in an orange color, a little bit darker though, but which is nice. I love it. The flower right there, and then I think this is the planet Earth, I guess, right there. This one is gorgeous. The handle is made up of this beautiful leather right here, this part. Okay, and then let me see the hang tag for this. The hang tag also is very nice. I love the hang tag for this piece, guys. Wow. And this one, the nice thing about this is actually this one is crafted and made up from 25 plastic, recycled plastic bottles, just to come up with this lovely tote. Wow, that's pretty amazing. So the inside just looks like this. The patch creed, which is actually imprinted right through the fabric. Wow, this one is actually, this one has a brass hardware though, right here. Those rivets right there for the strap. Wow, this is so nice. I like the green color, but I think I like this one better. I like this one better for some reason though. So this is the side corner. This is how it looks on the other side as well. The side, and this one is gonna be really sturdy. This one is crafted beautifully, guys, with this leather shoulder strap right here, the trim, and this one has a magnetic closure. And this, I know this is not magnetic. This is not a magnetic closure. But yeah, I believe I paid $195 US for this. That's before tax, and it is worth it. Love this so much. Oh my gosh. Sometimes I use this for work, just to put some off my paperworks and stuff. So yeah, I'm the type of person that always like tangible things, like with my paperworks and all kinds of stuff. I wanted to have it handy. I wanted to have a tangible physical copy of it, because yeah, I don't really rely so much with the computer and laptop and all kinds of stuff, but I want everything like printed out and also put it on and bring it with me, and it's handy. And I think this one is pretty. It's gorgeous. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.